To build a new model of the universe based on metaphors like computer simulation, we need to address a number of key questions. These questions include: where is the computer? Where does it come from? What is it made of? How is it built? What are its properties? And who or what is the programmer? With answer to those questions, we are hopeful to build a model. To address the first question, where is the computer? We'll seek insights from arguably the greatest philosopher of all times. Whitehead once commented, "The safest general characterization of the European philosophical tradition is that it consists of a series of footnotes to Plato." Plato is certainly no ordinary philosopher. I have little doubt that Plato is an enlightened being. Therefore, his insights ought to be taken seriously, particularly the insights into the ideal realm of forms. According to Plato, physical existence is a shadow or poor imitation of the ideal realm of existence. Abstract entities exist in the realm of forms, which operate as the fundamental reality. Material objects in the physical reality resemble their perfect abstract forms to varying degrees. For example, in the realm of forms, there is an ideal dog form and abstract dogness as a universal. Dogs in the material reality of all shapes and sizes are only shadows of this ideal dog form. So the ideal dog form is like an archetype or template. And the material dogs are actually shadows of this ideal dog form. Based on such a principle, it is postulated that the everyday material computer made of silicon is only a shadow or a poor imitation of the perfect abstract metaphysical computer that exists in the realm of forms. We call this abstract metaphysical computer a Platonic computer. The physical computer resembles the way Platonic computer computes. So both computers carry out computation. Let's remind ourselves, what is computation? In essence, computation is very simple. To compute is to answer a binary question. So which question?
To be or not to be, that is the question.
So computation is to determine a choice of binary, to be or not to be, yes or no, on or off, 0 or 1, according to a set of rules. Yeah, so that's computation. In physical computer, the binary is on-off switch made of silicon material. So we have a computer made of silicon, we have input, which is binary, we have output, which is also binary. Yeah, operated on an on-off switch. In Platonic computer, the binary switch is a metaphysical one, made of meta-consciousness. Manifested meta-consciousness is on, and unmanifested meta-consciousness as off. So we have a switch also made of a meta-consciousness. I'll come back to the definition of meta-consciousness in a minute. Now, with the switch made of binary states of meta-consciousness, we can construct an operating metaphysical computer. Using the metaphysical binary, we can construct 3 faculties. A database consists of metadata, which is specific configurations of manifested meta-consciousness and unmanifested meta-consciousness. And we can also construct a program pack, which is a sequence of codes in binary opposites. And finally, a processor made of on-off switches, which is also binary states. So with these three faculties, we can build the Platonic computer.